So I'm filming a Dollar Tree haul that I went shopping for recently, and I just remembered that I have stuff from Hobby Lobby that I never did a haul on. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, getting it out of the truck. There's a package?
Yeah.
What? I don't remember ordering anything. Well, I got excited. It's not for me. Hey! Hey! Okay, got it. We're gonna go in. Oh, okay. Don't fall. To be completely honest, I probably don't remember everything that is in these bags. I bought this stuff well over a month ago. If you haven't seen my other Hobby Lobby haul, this is like the second part to. I will have that video linked up above, and go check that out because it kind of matches some of this stuff. I know what I got here, but I guarantee you there's at least one thing in here that I forgot about.
Guys, tell me if y'all can see me through this.
We can totally see you, bud.
For real?
For real. Okay, so just like setting the bags down, I already see something that I forgot that I bought, but I'm so excited about it. Okay, but the last Hobby Lobby haul, I got these really pretty dishes on like super clearance. I think it was like 75% off. They matched dishes that I already had. They were just a different color. But what I didn't get were these gauntlets. How pretty. I believe I got 6, and I added more of the little orange juice glasses and the bowls to make a set of 6 of all of them. So that's one gauntlet. 2 gauntlets. And these were $3.24. $3.24. We have number 3. Okay, here are one of the bowls. So, I love this print. If you didn't see my previous video, which will be linked down below, this print is the same as a set that the Pioneer Woman put out that I got from Walmart. Another bowl. Here's another orange juice. I call them orange juice glasses because they're just little small glasses that you'd use at like breakfast. Or that I would use at breakfast. Another gauntlet. That makes 4 gauntlets. Is that what they're called? Gauntlets. 5. Orange juice glass. Number 6. I am so excited about these. I am not sure at all where I'm going to store them because my cabinet's a little full. Okay, so this is the thing that I completely forgot that I bought. I believe this is the only thing. How cute is this? This says Gather. I got this for $4.99. I don't know where I'm gonna put this yet, but I'm so excited. I might add some flowers or something to it. And then last but not least, I didn't buy this for myself. I bought this for my parents. They have some chickens and they're thinking about goats. My mom has some vegetables that she's growing, and they actually have a YouTube channel called Zachary Homestead, which I'll have linked down below. So I found this, and it says life is better at the homestead. And I thought this was perfect for them because they are living their dream right now. They have a little piece of land and they love it. So I thought this was perfect. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I've got some very fun tutorials coming up. And make sure to check out my other videos if you like Hobby Lobby hauls. I have this one that matches this one. All right, bye.